Hey guys, welcome back to Beatweeps. Today I'm going to show you how to use Beatweeps likes feature to target trending tweets and capture audience buzz. Likes targeting is our best and exclusive feature launched on 2 February 2022 with abundance of audience tweeting within trending hashtags and specific words or keywords. You can target those tweets via Beatweeps likes targeting. It's a strategic method to bring organic buzz and attention into your Twitter brand and account and business. Now let's get started how to set it up quickly. You need to make sure you are logged into your Twitter account. Here I am logged into my own the Soulful Emo. I'm going to go straight into the Betweets login page. Refresh it to have a fresh security token. I'm going to click on login with Twitter. Redirecting to the dashboard shortly. So here we have the dashboard all loaded up. I'm going to use BizBoost. It's currently inactive, and I'm going to turn on likes targeting in manual mode. So now you see I clicked on the wheel icon. Here is a profile card. Click on the wheel icon. We have the control card. Double click on likes field. I need to target NFT audience. NFT. You can write it as a keyword as well as hashtag. I would prefer hashtag, and I would click elsewhere. You see the target set successfully. Now you need to activate the Beatweeps control card so you can choose the operation. Here is the main switch of all operations. I'm going to click it, and BizBoost is now active. Now click on the wheel icon again and click on like, and like operation activated. Now all you need to do is just sit back for the next 24-30 hours to let Beatweeps do all the work for you behind the scene. You have to refresh the dashboard to see the logged icon and the remaining actions. The dashboard is reset. Click on the wheel icon and hover over the top image. You see 533 tweets are going to be liked with Beatweeps automatically for the next 24 to 30 hours. Isn't that amazing? If you are going to use it in auto mode, it's mandatory to add a targeted username in the target field to let Beatweeps targeted audiences. Some essential warnings to make sure you are all set up correctly. Choose and click desired operation only one time. It will lock and then unlock only after the assigned operation is done. Use in manual mode to test, and use in automated mode to get full power-ups. Change the hashtag or keyword within 3-4 days as per the trends and topics to keep the targeting fresh audience. Turn off likes field by simply adding hashtag Beatweeps or Beatweeps in the likes field. Once one like target hashtag or keyword is set, and once the like toggle is green, the controls will lock and you will have to wait until it's done for you. If the likes target is changed before the completion of the active actions, it will go into pause or break mode, resulting into extended time in execution. So be careful. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. We are available for dedicated support at email as well as on Twitter DM. Check out the support info in the description of this video. Thank you for choosing Beatweeps. Have a great week.